Okay. Just going to do a quick demo on our team chatter app. Unfortunately, we didn't make too much progress, so it's basically just gets to the sign up page. When we initially started this, we tried hooking it up with AWS, but that became more and more complicated as we went through. And then pretty much by the end of it, it just kind of turned out to be a not so good or not so good solution. And you needed like several services to use it, to just use the databases and all that fun stuff. So we decided to switch to Firebase. Once we switched to Firebase, following their documentation, it was still a little difficult to integrate until I found, I guess, their documentation is wrong. What you need to do is use the Android Studio um, assistant, and it can do all the connections and everything for you automatically. Unfortunately, the closest that we got was just the sign up page going. For some reason, we can get to it, we can submit it, but we don't get anything from there. It's supposed to, if it works, it's supposed to move it to the messaging page, and then or it's supposed to sign in the user and then move them to the messaging page. But unfortunately, we just didn't have a chance to debug that error and find out what's going on with it. So just kind of give an overview of this chatter app. It's supposed to allow a user to, either sign in or sign up, and just allow the user to communicate with each other, whether it's between one individual and another individual or one individual and a group of people. Uh, we were eventually going to, add more and more features to it, but unfortunately, we didn't get as far as we could have. So as you see here, this is our little home screen. We have two options, either sign in or sign up. As mentioned, you can go into the sign up page, and here you're presented with the chatter. You can enter in the email and password. Yeah, so you can enter an embedded. Just do this email. Password, just do ASDF. Again, this would have been another feature too, is just to make sure that the password is secure enough. Oh. And all that fun stuff. Okay, so then you hit submit. Obviously, it's not doing anything. There's a little thing that's supposed to appear right here, right in between the password and submit, that lists any errors that show up. But for some reason, that's also not working. Although I have an assumption it's just probably because of the code that I put in there. But yeah, other than that, that's it. You still go back and if you want to attempt to sign in. But right now, like I said, it's really just the submit that we've been working on. But as far as that goes, and obviously too, we didn't have a whole lot of time, or we obviously didn't make too much progress either with the sign in and sign up stuff. And obviously the chatter isn't as cool looking. There's supposed to be an icon in here, but we never got around to that either. But anyways, this is our chatter app, and that's that.